standing by the doorway, hair still wet from the rain outside, holding your shoes in your left hand, like you didn't care who saw you shine. And I was halfway through a sentence, but the words just disappeared, 'cause the room got a little quieter when you walked in close to me. And I don't know how you do it, but you make the world slow